Intimacy after herpes, navigating adult therapy. I want to share with you all the two most important factors in navigating adult therapy after testing positive for herpes. If you test positive for herpes, you are not alone. Here we learn, here we heal, and here we overcome. You are more than herpes. Welcome. Welcome. My name is Coach Shayna Singleton, also known as the Herpes Goddess, founder of Slay the Stigma, where I help women stop their outbreaks and break free from shame so that they can get laid. I'm also the founder of Hey Cousins, where my mission is to be at war with the stigma until our community feels comfortable being open about their status and proud of their sexuality. Welcome. If you want to know more about me and my expertise and the work that I have done within the herpes community over the years, don't hesitate to view this video right here. Okay, now let's get into it. We're talking about the two most important factors in navigating adult therapy after testing positive for herpes. Now, what is adult therapy? Doing it to adults, doing the thing. I can't say the word because it might take me down from monetization. Let me get it right. Let me slow it all down. But you understand, adult therapy. That's what we're calling that three-letter word today. Now let's get into it. The most important factor, number one, is communication. Yeah. Communication in the bedroom becomes even more crucial after a herpes diagnosis for several reasons. Your first disclosure of your status will not be your last, highlighting the ongoing need for open and comfortable communication with your partner. Herpes is a lifelong condition, and your initial disclosure is just the beginning. It is essential to establish ongoing communication about your health, symptoms, and outbreaks. Regular discussions ensure that both you and your partner stay informed and can navigate intimacy with transparency. As someone with herpes, there will be times when you will experience outbreaks. Communicating with your partner during these times is vital to maintaining a healthy and understanding connection. Sharing information about your symptoms, your outbreak sites, and your overall well-being helps your partner comprehend the situation and offer support. Living with herpes can have emotional implications, especially during outbreaks or periods of high stress. Effective communication allows you to express your feelings and concerns to your partner. Sharing your emotional state fosters understanding and empathy, creating a supportive environment in the bedroom and beyond. Stress is a common trigger for herpes outbreaks. As we all know, stress lowers your immune system, then making you more susceptible to having an outbreak. But stress also communicates to this gene called the JNK gene through your nervous system, telling your virus it is now okay to go through its replication process. Communicating about stressors in your life is crucial to managing the condition effectively. When you are comfortable discussing stress with your partner, you can work together to minimize triggers, promoting a healthier overall lifestyle. Consistent and open communication builds trust in your relationship. When you can freely discuss your herpes status, symptoms, and feelings, it creates a foundation of trust and understanding. This in turn enhances the emotional intimacy between you and your partner. In essence, communication in the bedroom post-herpes diagnosis is not a one-time conversation, but an ongoing dialogue. It establishes a framework for understanding, support, and trust, allowing both partners to navigate the complexities of living with herpes together. Open communication fosters a healthy, informed, and supportive relationship where both partners can feel secure and connected. Okay. The second most important factor of today's video is knowledge. Understanding herpes and having knowledge about the condition is paramount in the bedroom, especially after a herpes diagnosis, and here's why. It provides you both with comfort and confidence. Knowledge empowers both of you and your partner with a comprehensive understanding of herpes. This knowledge helps dispels myth and misconceptions, fostering a sense of comfort and confidence in navigating intimacy post-diagnosis. Being well informed about herpes allows you and your partner to understand how the virus is transmitted. This knowledge is crucial in implementing preventative measures and making informed decisions about sexual activities to minimize the risk of transmission. Knowledge of your personal triggers and prodromal symptoms enables effective communication with your partner. Recognizing these cues allows you to be proactive in managing outbreaks and inform your partner about the factors that may contribute to flare ups. If you want to learn more about triggers and prodromal symptoms, make sure you view this video here. When both partners are aware of herpes details, communication during outbreaks become more seamless. Discussing outbreak location, severity, and potential discomforts ensures a supportive and understanding environment in the bedroom. Knowledge about viral shedding, a period when the virus can be transmitted without visible symptoms, is essential. This understanding informs decisions about intimate moments, allowing you and your partner to make informed choices to reduce the risk of transmission. If you need more information about transmission and preventative measures, don't hesitate to view this video right here. Let's keep going. Knowledge fosters empathy. When both partners understand the intricacies of living with herpes, it creates a foundation for emotional support. Your partner can better comprehend the challenges you may face, leading to a more empathetic and supportive relationship. Knowledge promotes a shared responsibility for sexual health. Let me repeat. Knowledge promotes a shared responsibility for sexual health. I always say this because a lot of people within the community fear transmission, and they completely disregard the fact that their partner had made a choice to move forward with them. And that's a choice that a lot of us in the community did not have. We had a support group meeting dedicated to the fear of transmission that you can find on our resource hub by becoming a cousin. If you go to the description box below, there will be more information on how to become a cousin so that you can listen in on that support group meeting about fear of transmitting the virus. Now let's get back into it. Knowledge promotes a shared responsibility for sexual health. Both you and your partner can actively participate in creating a safe and healthy sexual environment by implementing precautionary measures and maintaining open communication about your herpes status. In summary, knowledge about herpes in the bedroom is a key component for fostering understanding, comfort, and communication between partners. It empowers both individuals to make informed decisions, reduce stigma, and strengthen the emotional bond within the relationship. With a shared understanding, the journey of intimacy after a herpes diagnosis can be navigated with respect, empathy, and confidence. Thank you for liking. Make sure you like, subscribe, share. It helps me to keep on providing you with the information for free.
I just want to say this too. I go to therapy and I've been in therapy for almost 3 years, and it's nothing like having someone who actually gets you on this level. So I just want to say I appreciate you. One thing that I've learned is from my own therapist is not about the actual school that teach you how to be a therapist and show up for people, is the real life experiences. So I just want to tell you thank you because this is doing so much. And so I even have therapy on Thursday before I came here, like to this group. So I just want to let you know it's certain things that we get, or I'll speak for myself, but that I can get from you that I can't get from someone else that doesn't walk and live in this world. So I just want to say I appreciate you and thank you very much.
Thank you.